Hey everyone, how's it going? It is Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, RE/MAX House of Real Estate. And I hope you're all having a great day so far. It's quite a lovely day here in Airdrie. Pretty warm, kind of nice. I was just out on the road east of town and it was raining, so that's always good. Raining. So happy to see you all joining in. I'm going to give you guys a tour. Hey, Caitlin. Hi, Jason. Thanks for joining. It's great to see you. Hi, Jen. Happy Thursday. Thank you for all the hearts and all the likes. We love that. So we're doing a tour today. A tour of this gorgeous home in Airdrie in Baysprings. This house is so awesome. It's got one of the biggest backyards I have ever seen with this size of a house. So it's a 2,300 square foot home plus a giant backyard. So, and they've put a lot of money into landscaping. I mean, there's a lot of things you could do to add to it, but it's already looks so beautiful. It is a huge yard. So if you love the outdoor spaces, this is the house for you. And also, it's a quiet street. So it's a really quiet street. So if you have kids or, if you love a huge yard with quiet street, close to schools and parks and pathways, well, this is probably a really great house for you. So if you're watching and this is kind of catching your eye, or know somebody that might love this, make sure you message us or tag your friend, share the video, just try to get it out there if this is kind of catching your eye. And I'll tell you guys the price at the end. So this house is almost brand new as well. So it was finished in 2019. That's when they moved in. So really, it has not been lived in very much. And it doesn't look lived in at all. It's like beautiful and pristine. And man, it still smells new, okay? So you gotta love that part. So anyway, 2375 Baysprings Park, Southwest Airdrie. I'm gonna give you guys a tour. 2,300 square foot, 4 bedrooms up plus bonus room. It's got a side entrance, which is really nice, a separate side entrance. Hey Tyler, thanks for joining. It's 9-foot ceilings, got a main floor office with doors. It's got high-end granite. The floor is gorgeous in here. You guys are gonna love it. So I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna give you a tour. I'm gonna stop talking here because, I like to talk. So I'm gonna just stop for a minute and let you guys look at the house. Okay, hey, thanks for joining. You guys can always share this video or start a watch party, share it to any group you think might like to see it. Get it out there. We try to get our houses out to as many people as possible, right? Okay. So Caitlin is the one that's working on this house with me. So hello, Caitlin. If I forget anything or if you want to add, make sure you type it in. Okay. So here's the street. It's a beautiful street. A little bit of blue skies coming out there today. Yeah, we're close to, it's on the south end of Airdrie, so it's easy to get to Calgary. Oops, okay, so let's go in. So here we are, front door. So we have a nice big entryway. We've got 12 by 24 tile. It's a really nice tile here, big front closet, neutral paint. Check out the floor. You could put any color you want with this. It's like a nice warm, really warm gray, kind of warmish gray. So it's very, very kind of what everybody's looking for these days. We've got a nice upgraded railing, 9-foot ceilings. It just feels very open in here. And this office is beautiful. It's, let's flip it. So we've got an office with doors. Private office there, main floor. And then check out this kitchen. These appliances are so nice. The granite. You don't see this very often. Check it out. Look at that, guys. It's it's a nice upgraded granite. Got a double oven. Look at the fridge. It's a smart fridge. I've only seen houses, sold a couple houses with these. I know this is a very expensive fridge. It's in like awesome condition. So there you go. Really nice appliances, modern finishings in here. Okay, here's the part that is really cool. Well, it all is cool, but look at this backyard, you guys. Check out the backyard. Is that west? Even, it doesn't matter which way it's facing. I'm sure you get sun all day long. But we've got, they've got a shed here. Look how big this yard, look how far it goes over there. It goes way up into that corner. They've got some nice landscaping done. You could do a lot of things even further up on the hill. But, so there's a nice deck as well, a composite deck. And is that a gas line to the barbecue? I don't know, we'll find that out. Composite deck, or no, is it wood? No, it's a wood deck with railing and a huge yard. It's amazing. Okay, we've got a fireplace. This house is ready for you to move in. The sellers have gotten it like almost packed up already. It's just waiting for its new family. We're ready. We're ready to go. There's not a whole lot left to move. They got it down to the bare minimum. And it's really nice to see sometimes a house with that's just ready to go, like right now. So we've got the bonus room up here. Check this out. They have it like a library, which is very cool. You could do couches if you want, do another TV here. So it's a nice big bonus room. Knock down ceilings up here as well. Okay, we have the double door to the primary suite. So this is an awesome sized bedroom with a huge walk-in closet, you guys. Check it out. Man, I love this closet. Okay, look at that. Really, really good size closet. You could even put a dresser in here if you wanted. Although there's a ton of room out here to put whatever furniture you want. So here it is. This is a king bed. That fits in here easily. Very easily. King bed. Okay. Another favorite part of mine is this ensuite. So much storage. Same granite. Look at this tub. That is quite amazing. That's a jacuzzi tub with an oversized shower. Okay. Look at that. What do you guys think? Are you liking it? Upper laundry. Here, a whole laundry room. Okay, laundry room. And another full bath. Lots of storage there. Okay, but the part that's also very cool is that it does have 4 bedrooms upstairs, which is not that easy to find right now. It's not easy to find a good home like this on the market at all these days, but having the extra bedroom, 4 bedrooms up, that's pretty amazing. Look at the size of them too, like that's a queen. They have the queen bed plus a dresser in here and it's not squishy. So they're good sized bedrooms, guys. Check out this one, full size bed, side table, bookshelf, everything. So, I mean, this is not crowded. It's nice and spacious, which is really, really, it's a super bonus. What else can I tell you guys about this? They've upgraded their light fixtures. Really nice chrome. The side door, I'll show it to you. The side door, so you could build an extra space down there with the side entrance. Be very handy, you know? So here it is. You go through this door here and you got your side entry right there and then down to your basement, which the basement's unfinished. You can do whatever you want down there. So this house is available for showings. If you want to come see it today, I would probably say you should try to get in here. Make sure you message us if you like this house. And you're going to like it even more when I tell you the price. So this house, I want to make sure I get it right. This house is $588. Can you believe that? I know. So you should probably get your realtor or message us, get your showing booked, and hopefully this can be your next house. 2375 Baysprings Park, Southwest, Airdrie. That's where I am today. So if you're liking this, make sure you message us, tag your friend. But I think that that's about it. It's been wonderful to hang out with you. Thank you for watching. And 5888. 5888. What? Okay, looking forward to chatting with you and showing you this house. Me or any of my agents can help you out. So contact us today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.